If you get this error message on Fallout 76, which says error during Bethesda.net login, then I will guide you on how to fix this problem. The first step is make sure there are no any ongoing server issues. If you go to this Bethesda.net status portal, which the link will be available in the description, they normally show if there are any ongoing server maintenance. Or you can just check their Twitter support page, which is Bethesda support. They also normally announce if there are any ongoing server issues. So just make sure to check these pages and make sure there are no any server issues. So listen to this very carefully. If there are an issue, you will have to wait until it is resolved and try again later. So if there are any server issues, you'll have to wait until it is resolved later. Also, if you're on console, consider checking the PlayStation Network status, which is status.playstation.com. Link will be available in the description for any server issues. If you're on Xbox, just check Xbox Live status, which is support.xbox.com, which the link will also be available on the description. Now, if there are no server issues, you can try our additional troubleshooting steps, which are reboot your device and router, or switch to a wired connection. If you are trying to play Fallout 76 on a wireless connection, try switching to a wired connection instead and see if there are any improvement. Also, if you follow the steps correctly but you are still again facing the same issue, now Bethesda have recommended the following steps you need to try now. If you're on PC, check firewalls and or antivirus. You should ensure that your computer's firewall or antivirus software is not blocking the game by adding Fallout 76 to your exception list. Now add Fallout 76 and Steam to the exception list of your firewall or antivirus software. By default, these are located in the following folders. So by default, they are located on the following direction. So on the following just folders, you will find the Fallout 76 installation. Now also on the Steam is also located on the following. Now link will be available in the description so that you can track easily. Now for detailed instruction on how to add an exception to your antivirus software, please contact your software manufacturer. So you just need to add Steam and Fallout 76 to your exception list on your firewalls or antivirus. Now you can also open game ports. To ensure that there are no issues connecting to Fallout 76 servers, you should open the following ports on your router. Now the following ports you should open on your router. Link will be available in the description for this page so that you can track it easily. For exact direction on port forwarding your router, please refer to your router's manual or website. So just make sure to open the game ports which have been shown here. So these are the best fixes for this error message, which is error during Bethesda.net login. So just make sure to follow this step very carefully, and I hope you'll be able to find a solution. But in most cases, this occurs when there are any ongoing server issues. So just make sure to follow their Twitter page, and you can also just tag them on their Twitter and they can also help you resolve this issue.